let's look at this. We are asked to find the y ds of this, that is the function. Let's push it here. As you can see in this place, we have y equal to sine 4x plus 10. This one means everything raised to power 3. Okay? That is everything raised to power 3. We don't solve differentiation like this. We don't. Differentiation is only applicable to singles. We don't want pregnant women. As you can see, this question is pregnant because for differentiation, we should have things like this, such as sine x, this single, cos x, single, 4x, single, 3s raised to power 4, and so on and so forth. But when you have sine with children inside the sine, there is another raised to the power of 3. See? It's like pregnancy, a woman carrying children. This is not only pregnancy, it's like a pregnant woman carrying a baby. You can't. So you have to apply function of a function, that is chains rule. How do you go about this? Because this is multiple, we are going to say let this, let's say let u be equal to 4x plus 10. This is single. We can apply the y ds here because we can apply it directly on 4x. This one will be 0. That is okay. So we can put this one as, say, equation 1. So aside this, you agree with me, everything here too is also not what? A good one. So we are going to replace everything there by v. Say sine 4x plus 10. But remember that this one is what? Is u. So we can say v is equal to sine u. Okay? We can call this one equation 2. Then finally, we have y as equal to, instead of putting this sign now, we put v. Say v raised to the power of 3. We can call this one now equation 3. What is the purpose of this? Because I can apply the y ds directly on u. I can also apply it on v. I can apply it on y. Because these are easy, standard. We don't want something that carries something that carries something. No. Okay? Now let's start. We are going to start with the first one. The first one is du over dx. That is u versus x. You agree with me this is equals to 4 because the differentiation of 10 is 0. Okay? The next one, we apply it here. That is dv du. dv over du is equals to cos u. Okay? Then we apply it here. That is the y over dv, which is 3v raised to power 2. Now, it's the time to look for dy dx. Don't worry. Don't worry. Let's put this here. The y over dx is equal to the multiplication of everything. Don't say how. You are going to say how now. Just multiply everything. That is du over dx multiplied by the v over du multiplied by the y over dv. Now, let's see if we are going to arrive at dy dx. This and this will cancel. This and this will cancel. What is remaining? The y dx. It means if we substitute all this, we are going to have the y dx. So don't panic. Just separate them the way I show you. Okay? Let's continue. Now, what is du dx? Du dx is 4. What is dv du? Dv du is cos u What is dy dv? Is 3v raised to power 2. Okay? With this now, we are good to go. All we need to do is to do basic substitution. That is, what is u originally? Our u originally was 4x plus 10. 4x plus 10. Multiply by 3. Multiply by, what was v? v was what? Sine u. That is sine u, then raised to power 2. Okay? It's not still okay. Let's continue. 4 cos 4x plus 10 multiply by 3 multiply by sine u. What is u? U again is 4x plus 10. So I'm going to put here 4x plus 10, then everything here raised to power 2. Now we can use basic arithmetic to simplify this. 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. Then we have cos 4x plus 10. Then we have sine. Remember, this can also be expressed as sine. You put 2 here before you put 4x plus 10. This is the final answer.